Hello guys, about the size EZ SE400 router machines. This is the original stepper motor controller, and I modified this once, and now I further modify it. And because I add the fifth axis, the fourth and fifth axis stepper drivers here, the current draws on the existing transformer is large, so I need to install a separate transformer for it. And also I want to have the control on my new boarded pendulum. I need to have more input and output, so I bought a internal smooth setter here. By using it, I can have input and output ports as much as 3 pair ports. And the original electronic controller here having the breakout board, and I also bought this a breakout board here to install them on the once again I bought the 6-axis stepper pendulum here in order to install them into the electronic cabins. I need to modify it to enlarge it. Here you can see I have also bought a few pieces of aluminum sheets. Here is the footprints of the new electronic cabins. Here you can see I have extended the width by this amount and keep the existing depth here, so I can still use this panel, these two side panel here. And I need to make new front and back panel and bottom and top panel. And I only extend this small amount because I don't want to extend too much, because I need to fit into this area, so the length is almost as the length of my current desktop computer. And I still keep on using the existing stepper controller here, and also the power supply here, and also these two stepper controller. Every hardware will be used again in the new cabins or compartments. So I need to make a new panels. I need to engrave the detail and make holes on the new cabins, on the new panels. All the connection pins and the wires are properly identified by labeling it. So during the the next connection after the disassembly. There is no mistake. It's a little bit tricky to disassemble this emergency stop. Take it out. Here, there is undercut all around. During a disassembly, you need to take each section out and use some sort of thin wire or this stick to insert to each sections and slide, pull it out. And then this part can be turned out. Now the panels was disassembled. This is the front panel, this is the rear one, and also the switch and some hardware was taken out here. You can see I labeled this all the connection junctions, lead wires.